A car with outstanding finance can be risky if you don't understand your rights. If a car still has finance, it legally belongs to the lender, not the driver, and selling it without clearing the debt can land you in legal trouble. Always get a settlement figure from your finance company before selling or trading in. For buyers, do a finance check before handing over money, especially in private sales. If you buy a car with outstanding finance, the lender can repossess it. Negative equity, owing more than the car's worth, can complicate things, especially in trade-ins or if the car is written off. Gap insurance and timing your finance decisions wisely can help. At the end of a PCP deal, you can return, keep, or trade the car. Just don't fall for voluntary termination myths. You must have paid 50% of the total finance first. Bottom line, be honest, check before you act, and always involve your finance provider. It's the safest route.